In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 to the My Home app quickly and easily. With the app, you can control cleaning schedules, check battery status, and customize settings all from your phone. First, make sure your Robot Vacuum X10 is fully charged and powered on. Download and open the My Home app on your smartphone. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Next, tap the plus icon in the app to add a new device. Search for Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 in the device list and select it. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your vacuum into pairing mode, usually by pressing and holding the power button until you hear a beep or see a blinking light. Ensure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, since the vacuum only supports this frequency. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and wait for the app to connect to the vacuum. Once connected, you'll see your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum X10 in the app, ready to start cleaning. You can now schedule cleanings, view cleaning maps, and adjust settings with ease. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home tutorials.